In order to activate eSIM on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first you need to go to the settings. In the settings you want to choose connections. In connections choose SIM manager, and then over here you will find add eSIM option. You can press this option in order to start activating your eSIM. Over here you have three choices. You can transfer SIM from another phone, you can scan the QR code, or you can search for eSIMs. So let's say you have the QR code. What you can do is select this option, and then you will open the rear camera. You need to put the QR code into the frame in order to activate eSIM. You can also use the flashlight if needed, and you can also use a picture. So if you have the picture with your QR code, then you can open the gallery over here, select the picture, and then you will scan the QR code from it. And on the other hand, if you have issues with scanning the QR code, you can also enter the activation code instead. Here you can enter the code and then press done. Or after you hide the keyboard, you can also find the done button here. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!